today's top tip video is going to be how you can get cooking oil off your gloves quick and easy. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go press that button. Thank you so much. Right, now if you watch my other videos about how to make cooking oil last longer or how to get rid of cooking oil, okay, it's best to do this when you're wearing gloves, so if you spill any, it's much easier to get off your gloves than your hands, and plus doesn't smell too great. So what do we need to do? Get yourself some tissue or some kitchen roll and wipe off any excess oil. Okay, dum, 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 dum. Then get some washing up liquid and rub it all over your gloves. Washing up liquid is good because it breaks down grease and grime. Okay, so put on the hot water tap and give your hands a good swirl. Get some more, give it a good go. You will know when the washing off, you will know when the grease has come off because you'll just feel the difference. It won't be all slimy and slippery. So give your gloves a nice little dry. Dun, 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 dun. Nice, quick and easy way to get the oil off your gloves. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to press like, leave some comments down below, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you, bye.